This is the Social Media Strategy Lab, where we teach you how to maximize your reach and revenue using social media. Today, I'm sharing 5 ways to increase your content monetization earnings on Facebook. Let's dive right in. The first way to increase your earnings is to increase your view time on Reels. The more of your Reel viewers watch, the more people Facebook will show your Reel to. In your professional dashboard under the Insights tab, you can view the audience retention for each Reel. For example, on this Reel, you can see that a lot of viewers dropped off at the 2-second mark. If I could have more viewers stay for 5 seconds, Facebook would have shown this Reel to more people and I could have earned more. So, how do you increase view time? There are several methods. The first is driving curiosity. So let's look at a few examples of this. So this is a great example of driving curiosity. You can see this has 1 million likes. So it's had a pretty high reach. If this person's in content monetization, they've made a lot of money. And this drove curiosity with the text. So use the overlay text to drive curiosity, but make sure it's actually relevant so people want to follow you and share it and like it afterwards. So in this, I wish I did this last year. And I see it's about Halloween. So if I'm interested in Halloween or have kids, then I'm super interested in what's going to happen in this Reel. And I'm going to watch the whole thing in order to find out. So the main thing is you want to drive curiosity, but make sure you deliver at the end of the Reel and that it's still high quality content so that people aren't disappointed at the end of the day, because then they won't like or follow you. So another example of his curiosity, my wife told me to do this, and he's got plywood in the couch. So we have no idea what's going to happen here. So it makes the viewer stay and try to see what happens. Now, another great method for increasing view time on Reels is to direct people to a caption that has great information. So if you're in any sort of informational niche, whether that's fitness, finance, travel, crafting, anything where you have tips for people, then this is a great strategy. So we see this is about a 12-second Reel. The Reel needs to be over 10 seconds to qualify for content monetization, but you make it a short and sweet video and list something that people want. So this is saying daily habits, and then you actually have to go into the caption to see what those daily habits are. And the thing about this is while people are reading that caption, the video is playing. And so they'll watch the entire 12-second video because it'll take 12 seconds to read, and they may even watch it twice, which is even better for the algorithm and your earnings. The second way to increase your earnings is to increase engagement with your post. Comments, likes, and shares indicate to Facebook that people like your post, and that triggers the algorithm to increase the reach of the post, which means you get paid more. So the easiest way to increase engagement on post is to end each caption with a call to action. So you either want to ask people to follow you, share the post, comment, or like. So here's a great example. They're telling people that August 10th is Agent Orange Awareness Day. And then in the caption, they say, share this post to help us raise awareness. And actually 708 people have shared this, so that works. So telling people exactly what you want from them, telling your audience what you want them to do can be very effective. So another great example, I would have put this at the end of a longer caption, but maybe not because they do have a lot of text in the image itself here. But ask your users, what do you think? When this person asked, what do you think? They got over 1,000 comments and tons of engagement. Another great example, so asking questions. So they put a controversial post up, and then at the end of it, which side are you on? So these kind of questions are going to drive engagement. So either directly ask people to share or like the post, or ask them a question about the post that is going to drive a lot of comments. The third way to increase content monetization earnings is to study what is already working on your page. To see your analytics, head to your professional dashboard and select content. Then you can filter the post either by engagement or earnings. This is a new page I'm working on, so it's not actually in content monetization yet, which is why I filtered by engagement instead of earnings, but you can filter by either one. You just want to see what is successful on your page. So let's look at my top post. So when I look at what my top post was recently, it's this Spot the Error post, where I post cartoon image showing the 1980s and ask users to identify what's out of place in the image for the time period. So it makes sense why this post did well. People are looking for the era, which means they dwell on this post for a long time, and dwell time is a really good signal to the algorithm that people like the post and they should show it to more people. So since this spot the error worked really well, I should continue to try these. I should post one of these a day and see if they continue to perform well. Now, you do not want to repost the same image or the same caption over and over again. They need to be new posts, new images, but keep reposting the same formats that work, the same topics that work, but with original images. The fourth way to increase your content monetization earnings is to post more content. This one sounds obvious, but if you were only posting once or twice a day, increasing your posting frequency can significantly increase your total earnings. Every post is another opportunity to reach people and make money. I recommend slowly increasing how often you post and watch your analytics to make sure your reach and engagement stay strong. For example, if you currently post 4 times a day, try posting 5 to 7 times a day for a few weeks and compare your total reach and earnings. The goal isn't to post as much as possible, it's to post as much as possible consistently and high quality. So you want to post as much as you can without sacrificing the quality of your post and being able to post consistently. I think an ideal range for content monetization is anywhere from 10 to 20 posts per day. The final way you can increase your Facebook earnings is to diversify your income sources. There are 3 main ways to increase your Facebook earnings from other income sources. The first is to sell digital products. So for example, this person is presenting themselves as a Pinterest expert, and they have comment pin if you like a free copy of my Pinterest starter guide. So they're using this digital product as a lead magnet, which simply means that you probably, when they send you a link to download this, you will likely have to give them your email so they can build their email list by giving you this free digital product. But you could do the same thing, but you could be selling the guide for $5 or whatever that amount is. So again, if you have any kind of tutorials, if you're in the travel industry, you could make itineraries, but digital products are a great way to make money. The next additional income source is affiliate income. So this creator is doing a great job showing how to earn affiliate income. She's doing try-on and hauls. And then she says, which one was your favorite? Comment shop for links. And so if someone comments shop, she's going to send them affiliate links. You can also just put the affiliate link in the comments as long as you have the right disclosures or hashtags so that people know it's an affiliate link. And the final income source is display ads from a website. So obviously building a website and writing articles to go on that website is a little more work than just applying for an affiliate program or one and done creating one digital product. But if you have a website, earning money from display ads is a huge opportunity. I'm currently earning over $10,000 a month in display ads from traffic from Facebook. So this has huge earning potential. And here's an example. So from a travel site, so they're talking about this hike. And then in the comments, they have click to read. And when someone clicks to read this, it opens up their website. And lo and behold, once their website loads, what do we see right at the top? A big display ad, other display ads on the side. So for each of these ads that are getting shown, this person is being paid. So if you have the time and want to turn this into a bigger business, building a website is a great way to increase that revenue. And you can start with a Google AdSense account to put ads on your site when it's smaller. And then eventually you can apply for a premium ad network. If you found this helpful, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can get all our best Facebook tips and tricks.